Hi, Catherine. So you've been using the Reflux Shield, which I developed for about a week.
A week. I use it in the morning and I use it in the evening before I go to bed on an empty stomach.
Okay.
First thing I do it in the bed. Before I even get out of the bed, I do it in the bed. I do what you suggested. I put 2 pillows under my knees and it relaxes me. I take my time. I do the breathing in to try to get the shield in as deeply as I can.
Okay.
And it usually takes, I don't know, like 30 seconds or so. And I also move it very slowly through the positions, like through the park, through the neutral to drive.
From park to neutral
To drive. I do it, yeah. And I do it about 5 times, sometimes 6 to 7 times. And I can feel it. I feel that I'm pushing, it feels like I'm pushing everything down that's hanging out in my esophagus. That makes me feel all stuffed up, so blocked up.
So what kind of symptoms were you having?
I was having severe acid reflux, but not just severe acid reflux. I was also having sharp pains. Originally, I thought I was having a heart attack. I have sharp pains in the solar plex and through the back. Like stabbing pains, but my doctor ruled out a heart attack. And then when I had the endoscopy, I was diagnosed with the hiatal hernia. I was also on Prilosec and Pepcid for 4 months almost at high dosage.
And did that help you?
It got me through the day, but I was still feeling pretty lousy and pretty sick. And I just knew I didn't want to even feel like that long term. And that's when I did the research and found your practice and read, and then you introduced me to the Shield Guard. And I've been using it. Yeah, the Reflux Shield. And so I was amazed. I felt from the first time, I felt relief from doing it.
That's great.
So
that's great to hear. I'm glad
so
the
I use it
Reflux
every
Shield
day.
was able to help you.
Yes.
Glad.